उसमें ना तो बिजली का कनेक्शन है अथॉरिटी से, ना ही पानी का कनेक्शन है। पानी दूसरी जगह से ग्राउंड वाटर लाके भर के यहाँ टैंक में रखा जाता है, उसको सप्लाई किया जा रहा। और जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दी जा रही है वो जनरेटर से दी जा रही है।
बिल्कुल बिल्डर के मर्जी से हम लोग यहाँ जी रहे हैं, उनकी मर्जी से। अगर वो चाहते हैं तो ये सप्लाई दे रहे हैं, वो भी टेम्परेरी। अगर जब चाहते हैं ये कह के कि भाई डीजल नहीं है, सप्लाई बंद कर देते हैं।
Hi, my name is Charu Jain and I'm the citizen journalist for you today. And I'm here to tell you about how Unitech Unihomes have been duping buyers ever since 2009.
No power supply, long power cuts, dry taps, substandard construction. This is what a buyer can expect from Unihomes. I live in a rented flat right across from my dream home that I bought in the same project, Unihomes Sector 117 Noida, 8 long years ago.
This is my flat which I bought in A3 Tower back in 2009. As you can see, the construction is on and I had been waiting for the possession. I have not received the possession as yet, which has brought me here in B1 Tower. I'm staying on rent here. The only thing that scares me is the construction quality. There is no water in the washroom. We can't use it.
An RTI reply exposes that Unitech owes Noida Authority more than 300 crore rupees, and so the authority has not provided water and electricity supply. As a backup, the builder provides electricity to these 75 homes through generators. For water, tankers fill up the underground water storage, which is then pumped up to the homes.
These are the two DG sets which supply power to all the residents of Unihomes. And this power supply is utilized for the construction purposes here for various towers.
No power means no water, as the pumps cannot run.
Since we have not received the direct connection of water and electricity so far, I want to make a humble request to the builders of Unitech to provide us those basic facility. Please release the fund to Noida Authority so they can get the connection of water and electricity to the residents of Unihomes. I'm Charu Jain, citizen journalist.